Hello guys, here is I have Alcatel 3B 2019. It's charging issue, it's not a charging. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. Let me take a look. Just plug in and it's not showing nothing. Let me try again. No, it's not charging. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. Now you're gonna remove the back cover pressed. You're almost done here. Just on top side. Yeah, we are done here. Now we're gonna remove the screw. First is bottom side, then will be top side. You're done with the screw. Now we're gonna remove this plastic. Now we're gonna remove the top side all screw. We remove all screw. Now we're gonna remove this plastic panel. There is two lock. We have to lift it up and it's come out easily. Now we're gonna remove the battery connection. Now we're gonna remove the battery, and under that there is charging port ribbon. We don't need remove the screen connection. We just remove the battery. There is charging port ribbon. Now I'm gonna remove the charging port connection. Black one is screen connection, so we don't need to remove the black one. And there is antenna connection, we have to remove it. Right here. Now apply some heat top of that. Now with the remover tools we just pull it up. It's gonna come out easily. It's come out. Keep it on side. We're gonna replace the whole thing. And there is a new charging port we install. Now we're gonna reconnect antenna connection. And make sure this wire goes inside the line. And now we're gonna connect the charging port connection. And press it down the ribbon. Perfect. Now we're gonna install the battery. Now we're gonna put it back bottom side panel, this plastic panel, and then we're gonna put it back on top side plastic panel. Just press it down. Now we're gonna connect the fingerprint connection right here. Before you install the screw, we're gonna test it the charging port, make sure it's working. Plug in charger, and yes, it's charging. Yeah, now it's charging. We're gonna unplug it now. We're gonna install the all screw. Let me charge the phone. See, make sure charge is going up. So leave it on charge. Let me unplug the charger now. Now we're gonna install the back cover. First on top side, then right side. Yeah, we just install the cover, back cover. Now we're gonna reconnect it on charger. Make sure your charge is going up. Yes, it now is 4. Now we're gonna turn on the phone. Make sure his phone is turning on. Yes, it's turning on. So I don't know the password. That's all right now, and thank you for watching.